How to sew a straight line. Yes, your sewing machine want to make straight stitches, but getting this right on a real fabric can be difficult. So let's use a paper illustration to understand why and how we can make straight stitches. I'm going to sew on this straight line to prove to you that your sewing machine want to make straight stitches. I want to make a gentle stitch and maintain the same speed throughout because I don't want to support this with my hand. And as you can see, I have the stitches just on the line I drew earlier. So this is a straight and sewing. To make your sewing straight, you should not drag your fabric from behind. Let the foot dog do its work. This is what causes stitches not to be straight. Mostly we have more fabric on one side and little on the other side, which means your fabric is not properly aligned on the feed dog. This is how you can manage to have straight stitches. First, you place your left hand on the side with more fabric, then your right hand on the side with little fabric, then you can start sewing. You don't have to drag the fabric from behind, and if your fabric does not move because you are not dragging from behind, then you have to change your feed dog. It means your feed dog is bad. This is the straight sewing. You can see how straight and neat it is. Even if I should fold it, you see it align with the stitches. It aligns on each other. So if you find this video interesting, you should like, comment and share this video so that this video can reach more people. Thank you.